So now we have come to Paragon, and as you can see, there's a waiting. We've been waiting here for the last 15 minutes. So I think we got to wait for 15 more minutes. This restaurant is since 1939. So that's 3 generations of entrepreneurship since 1939, and you can see the crowd. I'm told it's always like this. There's always a queue, and there's not a single time you can just walk into Paragon Shobha Mall, Bangalore. That's the history of the place. So that's a starter, seafood, mixed seafood, something like that. And then we have mango fish curry. That's the best seller in this restaurant. Plain rice. They've given some papadums, and we also have orange with chili inside, so that's an interesting mocktail. And the last thing that we order is tenderloin chili garlic, which hasn't yet come. So that's the tenderloin chili garlic, and that's how the plate looks like now, and that's how largest plate looks like now. And he is coming here for the first time. That's the Kerala water that they have in Kerala restaurants. So we'll find out if Laj is liking this. Laj, कैसा लगा? बहुत अच्छा. So next stop, me and Laj, we have come to the ISKCON temple. We are inside the ISKCON temple, minus the crowd. Nice environment. So we'll have to now get into here and then go to the main temple, which we shall in a while. So to get away from the crowd, we got ourselves 2 VIP tickets, 500 bucks for 2 people. Those are nice looking residential condominiums with very, very large balconies. So that's the Sheraton Grand and the Orion Mall most likely. And now we have come to the main temple. So we are exiting the ISKCON temple. Now review is that it's become a tourist spot, so the infrastructure accordingly is also like this. So they keep on expecting a lot of crowd, and because of the kind of tourists and the crowd, that spiritual feeling wasn't available, so it's become religious. So now we'll have to figure out what the next stop is. I'll see you there. So now we have come to Orion Mall, which is next to the ISKCON temple. Now very large multi-use development by Brigade Group. So residential here, office building there, Orion Mall here. This is one of the largest in Bangalore in terms of square footage. And the Sheraton Grand Hotel there. So a very large development. I haven't come here before. This is the first time. Laj has come here when he came to Bangalore in the first year. So Laj took me here. So now we'll have to figure out what is it that we need to do. Should we park ourselves here or we go somewhere else. So whatever we do, we will shoot and then we will share. So we decided to have a glass of wine, and Laj is having a glass of wine and some whatever this is called. I think jalapeno garlic bread. That's Laj through the wine glass, and that's the name of the place. It's called Toscano. It's coming in the glass. So last stop for tonight and last night in Bangalore this time is at a bar called Bangalore. Sorry, it's called just Bangalore. So it's on Church Street, and we have to wait around 20 minutes to get a seat here. So it's a karaoke bar, and it's got a northeastern vibe. The stuff is majorly northeastern, so good stuff going over here now. Okay, so we are signing off. This is my last night at Bangalore this time. So this is Church Street, Bangalore on our weekend. So while I sign off this video, the last thing that I just want to say now, because I am down 180 ml of 100 pipers. So not that I did not know, but just for the sake of, so for re-emphasizing the kind of breweries and the pubs and the kind of F&B that I experienced in Bangalore. It's like a different India. So Bangalore, Pune, Bombay, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, NCR, these are the actual India, and we are staying in India which is not the real India, that is Calcutta. Hence I haven't met as many bongs in Calcutta as I met in Bangalore in the last 4 nights that I stayed here. And I haven't seen as many people from the northeastern part of the country in Calcutta. As I've seen in Bangalore. Now that's IndiCube, that's a very, very sexy, I might use the word, co-working space. I think that was a hotel which they have converted into a co-working space. So coming back to the topic, let's enjoy the aloo chops that we cook, and Jai Hind till I make the next video. See you, bye.